morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for July 7th through July 13th. It's actually going to be a pretty okay week. We have P&G, which is going to be some great deals with that. But here they got deals of the week. They got the Kellogg's cereal for $1.88, and then there's going to be 50% off coupons online or the Sunday's paper, so making them $1.38. So if you guys want to get Kellogg's cereal, there's also some good printables that you guys could also get on the Kellogg's Family Rewards site. They got Tide on sale again for $4.99. Now my stores have it for buy 3 get 1 free. So if you guys do that, you can actually use 2 paper coupons, 1 digital coupon for $3 off. You guys would pay $5.97, but then you get the 4th one free, making them $1.49 each, which is a great deal if you guys want to do that. They also have the Snickers and M&Ms, 2 for $1. There is a 50% off printable coupon for the Snickers, like peanut butter, whatever one that is, on coupons.com, so you guys can get those for free. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. Also, I do want to mention, if you guys go to your coupons, it might show up on there, or you guys might have to type it up. But there is a 30% off a 30 coupon that is starting next week. Just type in 30% how you guys search for coupons and it'll be right there. Do not clip the 10% because it'll take off the 10% first before the 30%. So what I do is I use the 30% first, and then if I decide to go back, I will do the 10%. So I'm giving you guys a heads up with that. The Charmin and Bounty right here, these are $6.99. Now I kind of did a scenario for it. I'm not sure if it's a great deal or not, but they're $6.99 and there's $1 off coupons online for it. Well, we also have $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts this past Sunday. So you guys could buy 4 of them plus 3 Dawn. It would come out to $30.93 after the coupon, after 4 of the coupons. But you guys will get 10,000, or no, comes to $30.93. You guys want to take $4 off for the $1 off coupons, 1 digital, and then 2 paper coupons. Then it comes out to be, after the 10,000 points for spending 30, it comes out to be $16.93 or just $4.23 a piece plus 3 free Dawns. I'm not sure if that's a great deal, but hey, just depends on what the size of the Bounty and the Charmin. Otherwise, I think they'll be doing some diaper deals here. Here they got Nature's Valley for $1.99. Now we do have a $1 off a 2 coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. Plus there is a $1 off a 2 on Savings Star. So you guys will get both of them for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested with that deal, Purex is buy 1 get 1 free. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. A lot of food deals. They got Butterball 2 for $2. Now there is a Savings Star deal, but I'm not sure if it's the same exact deal or the same exact one that it qualifies. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. Fortos 2 for $5. If you guys do not have, if you guys have that free Forto on your Ibotta, you guys would get it to be a 49-cent money maker if you guys do that. So giving you guys a heads up with that, because usually it's $2.99. Now we're looking at the food deals. Nothing really popping out. I know with the Oreos and the Ritz, we have a 75 cents off a 2 coupon. Tic Tacs, there's one that just popped up in mine for a 75 cents off at Tic Tacs for a digital coupon. So you could get that for $1 if you guys were interested with that. Here they got the buy 3 get 1 free advertisement for the Tide, the Downy, and the Bounce, so we can mix and match coupons. Nice wipes and sprays are buy 1 get 1 free. Now the wipes are usually, if they're the smaller pack, it's $1.99, so you guys will get both of them for $1.99. Comes out to be 98 cents a piece. There's that. Here's more cleaning products. Again, if you spend 30, you get 10,000 points. You guys can mix and match things to do things like that. Makeup is buy 1 get 1 50% off. There is $2 off coupons, or $2 will come off with your $4.99 cosmetics at Wet n Wild. Plus we have the buy 2 get 1 free. Rimmel, spend 10, you get a $5 register reward. Revlon, it's if you guys spend or buy 2 of them. So they're $6.99. You guys buy 2 of them, you get a $7 register reward. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. Lots of lotions here. They got Dove body wash They're $5.99. You guys would end up getting them for $3.99 a piece after the online coupon and the points. So it's up to you guys if you guys really like that. Now we do have a lot of digital coupons. A lot of you guys are going crazy over the digital coupons this week. Go for it if you want, but they don't expire till September. So I'm going to wait until I get a good deal instead of just grabbing whatever. I know a lot of people are going crazy over the Burt's Bees. I'll just wait till my store has them in stock again, which they will, and then I'll use my digital coupons. So just, you guys can wait. You don't have to use it all in one week. Mitchum is 2 for $6. Now we do have some dollar off coupons in the 6/16 Smart Source. You guys would end up paying $4. But then you guys get 2,000 points when you buy 2. Comes out to be 99 cents or $1 a piece. So go for that if you guys love Mitchum deodorant. Secret is 2 for $11. Then you get 4,000 points when you buy 4. There might be some digital coupons for that. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Gillette Razors, $9.99. There's a bunch of different Gillette Razors. And then if you guys spend 20, you get 10,000 points. So we got some good $4 off Gillette coupons that you guys can use for that. Miss Charlotte says hi. Other than that, nothing really popping out. Miss Charlotte says hi. But yeah, otherwise than that, that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy your day. And it's going to be a good week to coupon next week. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.